The Jaipur Literary Festival is the most important, best one on planet Earth. And now we have it here in Adelaide. Wonderful.
So for our local audiences and anyone who happens to be in town, JLF is running over the whole weekend. It is completely free. I think what you'll find is we have a really diverse program. We have speakers from all over the Asia Pacific. We've got some super famous people, and we have just super good stories.
Well, the title of my book is How to Be a Dictator, and I work mainly as a historian. In my talk on Sunday afternoon, I hope that people who come and attend and ask questions will gain a better sense of perspective. It's very easy to forget where we came from. And the whole point about being a dictator is that you operate in an age of democracy. But a king can't be a dictator. An emperor can't be a dictator. But eternal vigilance is the price of democracy. So we must learn how to spot future dictators, and that's what the book does. But here we meet people who really read and are fascinated about history, passionate about it. And it's that link between writers and readers that makes literary festivals so important.
AusAsia really wanted a literature component, and it seemed like a natural fit for the Jaipur Literary Festival to come here. See, the way the sessions run is they're Q&A. Between a commentator, there will be some reading. The last 10 or 15 minutes is always open mic for questions from the audience. And one of the nice things about this event is that the writers do just hang about. So they do politics, cultural issues, lots of fiction, lots of poetry. And that's really what they wanted this event to be here. So now this event, AusAsia, is truly a multidisciplinary art form.